It's never too late to start learning about or investing in cryptocurrency, but it's important for beginners to understand some key concepts and risks involved before making any decisions. Education. Take the time to research and learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and various projects. Understand the fundamentals of how they work, their use cases, and potential for long-term growth. Risk management. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile and speculative. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio with other assets to mitigate risk. Market cycles. Crypto markets go through cycles of expansion and contraction, so it's essential to be patient and not invest based solely on hype or fear of missing out. Look for opportunities when the market is down and be prepared to hold for the long term. Choose the right assets. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, so focus on projects with solid fundamentals, a clear use case, and a strong team behind them. Top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have established themselves over time, but there are also emerging projects with potential for growth. Security. Ensure you're using secure methods to store your crypto assets, such as hardware wallets or reputable software wallets. Avoid keeping large amounts on exchanges, as they can be vulnerable to hacks. Regulatory environment. Be aware of the regulatory environment in your country, as it can have an impact on your investments. Stay informed about potential changes in regulations that could affect the crypto market. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and you should be prepared for fluctuations in value. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your investments as you gain more knowledge and experience. Coinbase is often considered one of the best platforms for trading cryptocurrencies for beginners for many reasons. You can find a link in the description below. Click on that to receive $10 worth Bitcoin when you invest $100. So, is it too late to invest in crypto? No. Start small, learn, and grow your investments over time. Good luck.